Cinematic Look Color Grading in Premiere Pro. Make a new project in Premiere Pro and import your video clip in Project Tray. It is raw footage and need to Cinematic Look color correction. If we drag and drop the video clip on timeline and see its colors, they look normal and ordinary color. We want to convert in Cinematic Look. As a compared to original clip, this will look good, charming, and romantic. Let's start how we can make this. Note here that we will be using a color workspace. You can select the color option from the workspace by going to the window options. On first step, we will make an adjustment layer. You can keep this by default name or can make your own name title. Just like I named Lumetri Color because I will apply this on this layer. We will drag and drop on timeline from Project Tray and set its duration according my video clip duration. We start with RGB curve. Make 3 keyframe points and adjust this as. We will make a curve just like S-shape. If you will see the display screen, now color become darker than original color tune. Now we will open Hue and Saturation Curve portion. We will select the dropper and will choose color from screen. Just like I choose blue color first. When we click on screen, color select on graph sheet automatically. Now we will increase the density of color graph. We can choose more than one color's graph and can increase the mass of color as. On third step, we will choose Color Wheel Match option. Here, shadow and mid-tone is very important. Dominant color of our footage is blue. Then we will set shadow and mid-tone in blue shade. Now our video give this result. Now we will give final touch on our footage. We will expand the color tune with the help of basic color correction. We will set exposure, shadow and blackness from this portion. Finally, make a blue color matte from Project Tray. You can rename this as Blue Color Matte. Step down opacity of this color matte under to 10% and set its blend mode as hard light or soft light. Now its final look has been done. Hope this video will be helpful for you to make a Cinematic Look color grading video. Keep in touch with us for further informatic videos. Thanks for watching.